Right now we're learning about the different styles of writing and calligraphy with Hangul.
바로 이
The word that
서체가
we were looking at
현대의
before was chung,
서체예요.
which means dance, but using the calligraphy you can kind of
춤은 이렇게 여러 사람이 손을
the
잡고
dancing
춤을
in
추는
the calligraphy
모습으로
itself.
이것이 현대의
Now we're looking
서체예요.
at the word god and we're seeing how it could be
꽃은 화분에서
integrated
피어나는
with
모습으로도
calligraphy.
쓸
So
수
you could write the
있어요.
word, but it's in a beautiful artistic way. This was super beautiful. Like you got the got here, which kind of looks like the flower. 길, which means path in Korean, kind of like made like a path. And then you have that final portion, so it's only flower paths. Beautiful, beautiful story, beautiful calligraphy, and then you see the stamp. So we do have these calligraphy pens. We're going to be making some thin lines and some thick lines. Thin lines are created by holding the pen upright and lightly providing pressure. Thicker lines, more pressure. First, we began by looking at the different styles of Hangul. We began with Pan Bonje, which is different from Kungje and Minje. Those are the three different styles that we looked at. And then we began practicing words like puppy, kanaji, or wind, para, and so forth. So this is how we're making it artistic, how Hangul can be artistic. So you got the word pop, and this is what pop looks like, rice, right? A rice bowl. And then what you do is, in your artwork, in your calligraphy, the bia becomes like a rice bowl, the becomes like a spoon, right? And you could do that with onion, 양파 becomes this. The smile can become this. Chung, which we looked at before, can become this. So we have some postcards here. We can write what we just learned here, or we can choose some additional items from over here. What strikes me about this is not only is it beautiful to learn Korean, but also the calligraphy and the artwork. But I can imagine that as students are writing things like, it's okay, everything will work out, that there's a certain mindfulness to this, an aspect that could help with mental health. It's really interesting, this approach. This is fascinating. We're about to make a badge out of this card here using our calligraphy. It kind of begins with the word, we can cut it into shape, add colors, and eventually there's a machine that shrinks it to a certain size and eventually to make that little pin. How cool is that?